Want to enable dark mode on every single website you visit in Google Chrome, even if the site doesn't support it natively? Here is how to easily set up a dark mode extension from the Chrome Web Store in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome and search for the Chrome Web Store, or go directly to chromewebstore.google.com. In the search box at the top left of the web store, type in Dark Reader or Dark Mode and press Enter. Select Dark Mode from the search results. On the extension page, click the prominent Add to Chrome button on the right side. A pop-up prompt will appear asking for permission. Simply click Add Extension to confirm. Once installed, the extension icon will appear in the top right corner of your browser bar. You can click on the puzzle piece icon to pin it for easy access. Now, whenever you visit any website, including Google Search, Wikipedia, or news sites, Dark Mode extension will automatically transform the page into a clean, easy-on-the-eyes dark theme. If this quick Chrome guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.